behind the curtain, before the spotlight, before the camera starts rolling, and before the applause. This is where Rodrigo is shaped. This isn't merely a glimpse into the life of a muscular bodybuilder. It's a look at the life of a man who prioritizes discipline over ease. While the world is still in slumber, Rodrigo is already up, not seeking motivation, but honoring his commitments. Each meal is carefully measured, every repetition is purposeful, and every drop of sweat serves a reason. The impressive physique you admire is developed in silence, away from likes, comments, and external validation. Behind the scenes, there are no shortcuts. There are early mornings when his body feels weighed down, late nights when recovery is more painful than the workout itself, and moments when giving up seems easier than pushing through.